It is July 2026 Sketchbox time. I have once again managed to avoid all spoilers, so I have no idea what we are in for this month. I do want to say, if you are enjoying my Try It Tuesday videos, the one that I did have scheduled for this week, I am pushing out to next week because the Sketchbox is here. So I want to get this video up as soon as I can to share that with all of you. I'm very excited always to open these. So I do apologize for the delay on the Try It Tuesday, but it will be back July 7th with a brand new episode that I think you'll really enjoy. Okay, so now let's open this up. Okay, so normally I open this and then I move the box to the side and start pulling stuff out. Should I just open it here and pull the stuff out like right here? Or do you like the kind of surprise of as I pull things out one at a time? I'm not really sure. What do you think? Okay. As always, I'm going to show you the pamphlet after we look at everything. All right, let's take a peek. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy, I think I'm going to move this to the side and pull things out one at a time. But if you think I should change that, maybe back up the camera more and just open the box and pull everything out that way, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to hear how you'd like to see these done. First things first, so excited when I see Sketchbox signature products and so excited when I see watercolor paints. So we have here a travel set of 12. We have lemon yellow hue, alizarin crimson, permanent rose, sap green, cad red pale, ultramarine, burnt umber, khaki green. Oh, that looks awesome. Pale peach, denim, rainforest green, and smoky. What an awesome set of colors here. I am very excited for some new watercolors. This looks like a really great mix of colors. I like the names. Can I slide this off of here? And I love this travel tin. This is a great color, and I don't have any of this color, so helps me differentiate between my little travel palettes more easily. These look lovely. I can't wait to get these out and swatched. Off to a great start. Let's see, what else do we have here? Another thing that I love to see is a new brush. This is not a Sketchbox signature item. This, however, is a Siren Round 5 Willow Wolf. I love brushes. Can't wait to try this out. Nice pointed round brush. Oh, now we have a tube of Daniel Smith. This is iridescent electric blue. I love Daniel Smith paints. I don't usually get the iridescence, so I don't believe this is in my collection, and I'm happy to have it. Okay, we have a Winsor & Newton pen. I'm sure I'll get more information on this in the pamphlet. Got a nice little nib on it there. Let's see what it says about this pen in the pamphlet. What else do we have here? Okay, of course, we have the themed sticker that has a little image of the watercolor tin on it. Then we have this little piece of watercolor paper that has this You can see the hummingbird and the flowers pre-sketched on it. That'll be fun to just color in and paint, right? I'm assuming that's what we're doing with this. And then a pack of Academy cold press paper sheets, Rockwell Sketchbox. So I guess it's a Rockwell Sketchbox collab thing, 12 sheets, 300 GM, 140 pounds. They're 4x6, which is a size that I love to work in. 100% cotton, acid-free, chlorine-free, pH neutral, natural gelatin, and archival quality. All right, well, this all looks like a lot of fun. Let's look at that pamphlet now. This is the Willow Wolf Watercolor Premium Box. So Willow Wolf, like the brush. Of course, these are the instructions for the painting. Look at this. Look at this. This is awesome. This is like my kind of thing. A seascape scene with a cute little lighthouse. This is by Hannah. Looks like underscore party underscore of underscore one. And this was made with the May 2026 Sketchbox. So fantastic job. Congrats on that. Okay. And of course, this lovely artwork was made by Lana. I had checked this and I still don't remember. I'm so sorry if I mess up your name every month. All right, let's see the items in this box. Okay, so first things first, the Sketchbox Signature Watercolor 12 set. It lists the colors, which I already read off the back of this packaging. Back and better than ever with 12 new colors curated by Willow Wolf, so you can make the most out of the educational course she did specifically for this box. Okay, well, that's very cool. Daniel, and $24.99 is the retail price of the watercolor paint set. Daniel Smith, luminescent watercolor. Daniel Smith is known the world over for making some of the best watercolors you can buy. Iridescent electric blue adds an extra special shine to your hummingbird art this month. Price $10.70. Then the Willow Wolf hummingbird starter on watercolor paper. So, okay, so Lana didn't make the design for the hummingbird. That was Willow Wolf. And this is retail price $2.99. So this is Lana's piece. Okay, I see. This is the piece that Lana did. And of course, it's gorgeous as always. But the outline on the postcard is a different design, and that is done by Willow Wolf. Okay, now I'm getting up to speed. Winsor & Newton fine liner, 0.5 millimeter. It is waterproof when dry. Retail price $5.39. And then the Willow Wolf Siren number 5 round. It's a synthetic squirrel bristle brush. Incredible for watercolor. Retail price $11.80. And then the Rockwell Academy 100% cotton cold press paper, 12 sheets, 4x6. Retail price $9.99. And the Sketchbox Instagram is going to be having a giveaway for this set of Willow Wolf's brushes. Looks like 4 brushes come in the set. So if you follow them on Instagram, keep an eye out for that. If you don't, give them a follow. Give Sketchbox a follow and keep an eye out for that announcement. Okay. Let's make something. All right, let's swatch these lovely colors so I can figure out what I want to paint with them. I did cut this off from the packaging that was around the tin case. This fits in here perfectly and it gives me a pre-made sampling of the colors, but I also want to have my own swatches from this actual set. I did spray them down and I'm going to be using the brush that came with the box. right, wow. So really beautiful colors, really interesting mix of colors as far as me figuring out what what I want to paint with these. Oh, but they're so lovely. Okay, I'm going to figure that out and then we'll make something. All right, I sketched out basic idea and let's just see how it goes. Well, the July Sketchbox definitely gets an A plus from me, but I would love to know your thoughts in the comments, whether you have the box or just based on what you're seeing in this video. And that is all for now. I will see you next time.